Now let's look at number 2. This is no longer a cube, meaning the sides are not all the same size. The question we just did was a cube, meaning every side was the same. This is now a rectangular prism. My goal right now is to find the surface area of this three-dimensional shape. So just like the previous example, I need to find the area of each one of the 6 faces that this shape has. So if you look right here at the front, I want to find the area of this. Then I want to find the area of the back. I want to find the area of the right. I want to find the area of the left. I want to find the area of the top. I want to find the area in the bottom. Then I want to add those up. This is a net, which is this shape unfolded. A lot of students like to use this to help them find the surface area. So we're going to do that to start here. So let's take a look here. This front here is also this front. This side here is this side. This top here is this top. This bottom is this bottom. This is the back. And this is the top again. So this allows us to be able to see this down on paper. So if you look here, my front here is 2 times 3, which is right here shown, which is 6. So the area of the front is 6. Then we're going to look at the side. This side here is 7 and 3. And you can see this is 7 and 3. So the area of the side is 21. If the area of this side is 21, the area of the other side also has to be 21. So far, the front is 6, the back is 6. The right is 21, the left is 21. Then the top is 7 by 2, which you can see here, 7 by 2. So that's 14, and if the top is 14, the bottom is 14. Then we're going to add all of those together to find the total surface area that this shape would take up if I was to flatten out this shape and make a surface of it. Again, what I'm trying to do is find how much wrapping paper it would take to fill this entire shape. Like how much would it to go on the outside? So that's how I like to think about this. So let's try this out on paper. So my front here, the area can be found by doing 3 times 2. So I'm going to put on my paper, front, 3 times 2, which is 6. If the front is 3 times 2, the back has to be 3 times 2. So here, I'm going to do 3 times 2, which is 6. So far, the surface area of the front and back of the shape is 6. Now let's move to the left and right. The right here is 7 and 3. You can see it right here, 7 and 3. So the area of the left and the right is 7 times 3, which is 21. So the left here is 7 times 3, which is 21. And the right here is 7 times 3, which is 21. So far, I have 4 sides of my surface area done. Guys, this is super simple. I'm finding the area of each of my sides and adding them together. Final step is the top. I have not done the top and the bottom. So that is right here, which as you can see is 7 by 2. You can also see it here. The whole thing is 7. The front is 2, so this has to be 14. So if the top is 7 times 2, which is 14, so is the bottom. So when I move down to here, I do 7 times 2, which is 14, 7 times 2, which is 14, and now I have 6 surfaces to add together to get my final surface area. So 6 times 6, we have 12. 21 plus 21 is 42. 14 plus 14, this is 28. So now I'm just going to add these up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the surface area of this 3D shape is 82 units. To recap, I looked at my 3D shape. There are 6 sides. I found the area of each one of those sides separately, and I added them together and got 82 units. Now, let's move on to the practice and see if you can do the same thing. I highly encourage you to use scrap paper. just like I did here. Make a list. List your front, back, left, right, top, bottom. Find the area of each and add them together. This is not a hard skill. It just takes time, patience, and focus. You can do it.